Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your network settings on your iPhone. It's a pretty easy process, but keep in mind that it will reset all your network settings, including the Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth devices. So if you have any important connections saved, you may not want to do this. If you do, to get started, let's open up the Settings app on the home screen. Scroll down until we see General, then scroll down all the way again until you see Options to Reset. Click on that and then select Reset Network Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode, and once you've done that and entered the passcode, your iPhone will delete all network settings and return them to factory settings. Don't forget to remember this will delete all the Wi-Fi connections you've been connected to, so you'll need to manually reconnect to them afterwards. Your iPhone may reboot, but once it's done, you'll be able to connect to whatever network you want. And that's it. It's a quick and easy process. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.